Hi guys, I think a news video might be in order, right? You'll notice on ArcoLinux.info that there will be 2 new ISOs based on the ArcoLinux ZEN, so ArcoLinux ZEN kernel. And that's this one. Let's remove all these wallpapers, Ctrl A from last video. Ctrl T, this is the ZEN kernel, and it's just the default, right? The default kernel from ArcoLinux, sudo pacman -s linux zen, and of course also the headers. Okay, so that's a new ISO coming for beginning of November. And the other guy, maybe you've seen already the videos and documentations on ArcoLinux.info. We've added XANMOD to this particular ISO. Ctrl T. So now you boot up with the XANMOD kernel. And the thing is, with all these kernels booting up at that particular moment in time, it's already investigating what you have. Yeah, it's gonna look. It looks around, it says, okay, look, ACPI is there and systemd is doing its job. And at the very, very beginning, the XANMOD kernel is booted. So that's that. 2 new ISOs will come up in the beginning of November. It means you have choices. It's always the XS, and XS is extra small, meaning it's this, right? All the XSs contain the same stuff. And it's just the one browser that we have. We don't have Sublime Text, we don't have code. There's nothing like GIMP or Inkscape. That's all extra large. So that's where I start with if I want to develop for ArcoLinux or ArcoLinux or LCI or Carly. I always use the XL since all the applications are immediately on my machine. So now I have to think, what am I missing? Sudo pacman -s, GIMP, and so on. And of course, there's our little PAMAC that you can have a look as well. Say, what is there in the world? Browse and have a look at the categories, photo, video, etc. And just click here. But you know, I'm more a terminal kind of guy, and I'd like you to become one as well, so you know these commands when you go somewhere else on another system, because in the end, it's all ArcoLinux. Once you learn everything here from ArcoLinux University, you can apply it to anything based on Arch. And that's the point, right? Give you Linux knowledge when we happen to be on Arch. All right, enjoy the new ISOs. Cheers.